Today's topic is about the deletion of the column in the list of the list. There are two ways to do it, using the delete and using the pop method over here. First, we are going to initialize our array. After that, using the for loop, we are going to delete the column which we want to delete. Here, I want to delete the fourth column of our list, which consists of the elements 4, 11, and the 22. So we just have to write del space j and the column which you want to delete. I want to delete the fourth column, so I'm going to write the third because it starts from the zeroth. And after that, we are going to print it. As you can see it over here, the fourth column of our list is not shown in our desired output.